Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can craft fiber and where you find fibrous pulp. So fibrous pulp is one of the things that you need this multi-tool to harvest, and to get this multi-tool, all you have to do is run around, grab 3 pieces of titanium. It's the most basic chunk of metal that you can find right around your Lifepod, and then underneath of personal, you can craft a survival multi-tool. Once you have this, you can pop down into pretty much any one of these caves, and you'll be able to find this red grass-like substance called feather kelp. And this is the first sort of fibrous material that you'll run into. So all you have to do to gather it is just right-click this a couple of times, and you'll collect a bunch of fiber. And if you destroy the plant, it's not a big deal. These will regrow, or at least they respawn, even if you wouldn't call it regrowing. So once you've got a few pieces of that, you can pop back up to your life raft or your base, and you can pop this open, and you can craft some fiber. You can also use it to craft fiber mesh, but you also need some acidic rayon pouches and copper in order to craft the acid required to craft fiber mesh. To start out with, making fiber just requires some fibrous pulp, which you can get from chopping plants. This is not the only plant that you can get this from. There is actually a plant just to the north that's a blue glowing frond that you can also chop to get fibrous pulp, and there's also one to the south. So you keep your options open and always check to see if you can harvest different things using your multi-tool when you hover over them. It'll say above your action bar at the bottom of the screen. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how you find fibrous pulp in order to create fiber. So that's it. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.